So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the screen color of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So I'll be showing you multiple methods you can use to fix the screen color of your tablet. One of them is by turning off sleep mode so that you can also disable grayscale. So to do that, simply open the settings app and then you want to scroll and select modes and routines. From here, tap on sleep, then select turn off, and once it's been turned off, your screen color should be fixed. If it's not, it means that there's other issues that are also causing your screen to look like something like this. So another way you can fix the screen color is just by going to your display settings on your tablet and just ensuring that your display is set to light mode. This is because if it was in dark mode, then your screen goes dark. So if you set it to light, your screen color should be fixed. If it's still not, then you can go a step further by scrolling to your accessibility settings and then tap on vision enhancement. From here, you want to ensure that color inversion is turned off. You also want to select color correction and disable it. And once it's been disabled, your screen color should be fixed. If it's still not, then there's one more thing you can try. You can just check the color filter and ensure that it's been turned off. If it's been turned off, it now means that any issues that you previously had with the screen color should be fixed. If not, then I would suggest you calling the Samsung Help Center to get any more ideas on how you can fix the screen color, because maybe it's a hardware issue or it's something, a bug that came with the software update. And so those are the multiple ways you can use to fix the screen color of your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.